Ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, thank you for joining me today. We are here to celebrate the beauty of pursuing the extraordinary. Life is filled with opportunities to choose between ordinary and extraordinary. It's up to us to decide which path we want to take. The importance of setting goals. A goal is like a compass that guides you towards your destination. When you set a goal, you have a clear direction in life. You know where you want to go, and it becomes easier for you to make decisions that will help you get there. Take the example of Elon Musk, who set out with the goal of revolutionizing space travel and electric vehicles. Through his companies SpaceX and Tesla, he has made significant strides towards achieving these goals. Taking risks. Pursuing the extraordinary often means taking risks. It involves venturing into uncharted territory and pushing ourselves outside our comfort zones. However, it is only through taking risks that we can achieve greatness. Consider Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, who took on the risk of climbing Mount Everest when no one had ever reached its summit before. Their courage led them to accomplish an extraordinary feat that had once seemed impossible. Pushing oneself outside their comfort zone. To pursue the extraordinary, we must be willing to push ourselves beyond our limits. This requires stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing challenges head-on. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison fighting for equality in South Africa before becoming its first black president. He pushed himself outside his comfort zone by continuing his fight, even when faced with immense adversity. Hard work and perseverance. Achieving greatness demands hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It's about staying committed even when faced with setbacks or failures. J.K. Rowling was rejected by multiple publishers before her Harry Potter series became a worldwide phenomenon. She never gave up on her dream and continued to work hard until she found success. Take, for example, the story of Wilma Rudolph. As a child, she suffered from polio, which left her with a weakened left leg. But Wilma refused to let her disability define her. She set her sights on and worked tirelessly towards that goal. Despite facing discrimination and naysayers, she persevered and won 3 gold medals in the 1960 Olympics. She proved that with hard work and perseverance, anything is possible. Think of the story of J.K. Rowling. She was a struggling single mother, living on welfare and trying to make ends meet. But she had a dream of becoming a writer, and she was willing to take a risk to pursue that dream. She wrote the first Harry Potter book while taking care of her infant daughter, and she was rejected by multiple publishers before finally getting her big break. But she never gave up, and today she is one of the most successful authors of all time. Consider the story of Michael Jordan. He was cut from his high school basketball team, but he didn't give up. He continued to practice and work hard, and eventually, he became one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He faced setbacks and failures along the way, but he never lost his determination to succeed. The beauty of pursuing the extraordinary lies in setting ambitious goals, taking risks, pushing ourselves outside our comfort zones, and displaying unwavering commitment. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Let us all strive for excellence in our lives and dare to pursue the extraordinary. It's time to set sail on this incredible journey and leave our mark on the world. That's all for today's episode of Tony's Motivational Audios. Join us next time, and thanks for listening.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.